x power tan x plus sin x power cos x. Find the derivative of this function. Let it be y. Let it be y. So take this one as u. This one is v. Calculate du by dx. Calculate dv by dx. So let u equal to x power tan x. Take log on both sides. Log x power tan x. Log u equal to tan x into log x. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of u 1 by u into du by dx. Apply uv formula. U dash derivative of tan x secant square x u dash v plus v dash derivative of log x 1 by x into tan x u dash v plus v dash u. Therefore du by dx equal to u into secant square x log x into tan x by x. What is u? X power tan x. So du by dx equal to x power tan x into secant square log x plus tan x by x. Tan x by x. This is equation number 1. Similarly, calculate v. Let v equal this one. Take log, differentiate on both sides. Same as this one. Let v equal to sin x power cos x. So log v equal to log sin x power cos x. Next, log v equal to cos x into log of sin x. Log of sin x. So similarly, differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log v 1 by v into dv by dx. Apply uv formula. U dash derivative of cos x minus sin x. U dash v value log sin x plus v dash derivative of log 1 by x derivative of sin x cos x. So 1 by sin x into cos x. This cos x is this one. Derivative of log function, derivative of sin function into this cos x is this one. So dv by dx equal to by v becomes to into v minus sin x log sin x plus cos by sin equal to cot x. Cot x into cos x. What is v? V is a sin x power cos x, sin x power cos x minus sin x log sin x plus cot x into cos x. So therefore y value y equal to, first one is u, second one is v. So dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Du by dx means this one. Add these two answers. X power tan x secant square x log x tan x by x. This is one first answer. Plus add the second answer, sin x power cos x into minus sin x log sin x plus cot x into cos x. So first take u, differentiate this one. Next take this as v, calculate dv by dx. After that one add du by dx and dv by dx. We get dy by dx. Next, y equal to tan inverse under root 1 plus x square under root 1 minus x square by under root 1 plus x square under root 1 minus x square. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Put x square equal to cos 2a. X square equal to cos 2a. So y equal to tan inverse 1 plus cos 2a plus 1 minus cos 2a 1 plus cos 2a 1 minus cos 2a 1 plus cos 2a 2 cos square a 1 minus cos 2a 2 sin square a. We apply these formulas. Y equal to tan inverse 2 cos square a 2 sin square a 2 cos square a minus 2 sin square a 1 plus cos 2a 2 cos square a 1 minus cos 2a 2 sin square a 2 cancel, root 2 square cancel, root 2 square cancel. So tan inverse cos a plus sin a by cos a minus sin a. Y equal to tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus a. This is a compound angles formula. Compound angles formula. Tan pi by 4 plus a. Tan inverse cancel. Y equal to pi by 4 plus a. Y equal to pi by 4 plus a value. First take cos. Cos inverse x square equal to 2a. We want a value 1 by 2 cos inverse x square. So 1 by 2 into cos inverse x square. This total is trigonometry. X square equal to cos 2a. X square equal to cos 2a. This is 2 cos square a, 2 sin square a, 2 cos square a, 2 sin square a. All 2's cancel. Root 2 square cancel. Tan pi by 4 plus a formula. Finally, we get this one. So finally, y value y equal to pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 cos inverse x square. Next, take differentiation. dy by dx. Derivative of any constant 0. 1 by 2 into derivative of cos inverse 1 by minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Derivative of the internal function 2x. These two cancel. So answer is minus x by under root 1 minus x power 4. 1 minus x power 4. Next, y equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Put x equal to sin a. Y equal to sin inverse 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. So y equal to sin inverse sin 3a formula. Y equal to 3a. 3 into a value sin inverse x. Last step. dy by dx. 3 into 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Third law, fifth Roman 1. Fifth Roman second. Y equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. Same as this one. Put x equal to cos a cos inverse 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a cos 3a formula. Cos inverse cancel 3a. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a cos inverse cos 4a, y equal to 4a, sorry this is 3a, 3 into cos inverse x. Therefore last step, dy by dx, derivative of cos inverse minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square